Save this video the next time you need to apologize because of a mistake you made at work. Law number 26, keep your hands clean. Near the end of the 2nd century AD, the great general So was the most powerful man in China. He was battling his rivals and was trying to take over the central plain. In doing so, he made a mistake. He miscalculated the timing of supplies of grain to arrive. As he waited, he had to order the rations for his troops to be limited. The troops began to think that the general was keeping the extra rations for himself. He got word of this from his informants and he had to act quickly. He beheaded his chief of commissariat. Seeing the head on display, the troops kept quiet and stopped their grumbling. They were stunned and intimidated by the general's violence. So had two options: apologize or create a scapegoat. Understand, excuses satisfy no one and apologies make everyone uncomfortable. The mistake does not vanish when you apologize. It deepens and festers. People in power must depend on appearances, and those in power must seem to never make mistakes. They must use scapegoats. Working harder than everyone else implies weakness. They're going to ask themselves, why are you working so hard? You must disguise your goal. This is important because when your rivals are not sure what you are after, they will react in ways that often work against them in the long run. Alright, here's the call to action. How will you disguise your goal the next time someone looks your way? Cheers.
Alright, for the meantime, this is what we are looking at. Okay, and he's going up the roof. Okay, as you can see, so that whatever correction there is, they will put the patches on top of the sheets up there and correct the leakages that might occur. All right, so that's what we are doing right now. Okay, so let's see.
Okay, I have covered a place where it has been leaking. That's where you will be seeing the white this thing on it. All this place has been covered by me carpenters. That's it. So I just completed the work right now. Where you are seeing the white patches is where the work has been done. And
you see this side? You see this side? Connector between this and this. Did you cover it?
Between this and this?
Yeah.
Okay, I have covered the nail stop. But the joint there didn't.
The joint, when it rains, the whole place, oh my God.
Yes. So, okay, no problem. But I think the patch,
it's finished.
It will remain small. I can use it, but it will not. I don't think it will reach.
It will
So if we can get some here, then let's go faster so that we see what we do and do all.
Okay. Take your time.
Okay. If you get one, it will reach.
Okay. Run. Okay. All right. Hey! How did you jump? You are used to climbing up. So now, what does it mean? So, the patch is around this one, the light pole. Okay. What about here?
The joint.
The joints here.
You mean the joint.
Yay! So one will fit.
Yeah, one will do.
It's a very heavy material, but when it rains, do you think this is going to come off?
Yeah,
When it rains heavily, do you think this will come off of the sheets?
No, not good.
You think the adhesive is strong enough to withhold torrential rain?
Yeah.
You know that here, when it rains, it really does pour.
But for this one, it's okay.
Okay, we shall see. All right, no problem. Oh, sorry. So this is what is left of this. All right. So that means we need one more roll. Okay. All right.
Nigel, Jeffrey, what's on your schedule? My wife and I will soon be celebrating our anniversary. Oh, how long have you been married? 13 years this February. When's your anniversary?
Well, if you must know, I do believe my anniversary begins at nightfall.
This nightfall? In a few hours?
Yes, in just a few hours.
Well, put it in your schedule.
My schedule?
Your schedule.
Is that really necessary?
Yes, it's necessary.
To schedule my anniversary?
Yes, it's necessary to schedule your anniversary.
Really?
Anything else would be a disservice to modern society.
Profound.
Indeed.
Well, what should we do in the meanwhile?
I've got a grand idea. Let's go chastise the lower class for having the plague.
Oh, what a joyous occasion.